guys, Savannah here with Michigan Hooligans. We are at Sonic at Southgate on 4th Street, and we are here with a bunch of cars. It's hopefully gonna get better as the night goes on. It started at 6, but here we are with everybody, and let's get this shit on the road. It looks like I'm naked. I'm not, I promise. It's Sonic car meet. What y'all know about it? Dude's looking at me like I'm crazy. Hold on, let me see this. Hey, bro. What's your name?
Connor.
Connor. Connor's at the car meet. There's not really much here going on, but it's nice. It's a nice day. Nice day out, right? Nice day. Better keep going. Better keep going like this. It's so nice out. What was his name? Connor?
I think so.
Let's go up to Tony. Let's go talk to Tony.
I'll take the bitches apart.
Tony.
You're gonna have the whole last segment.
Oh, what's up?
How do I
Wait,
flip
is it facing?
It better.
Oh, okay. Yo, that's high up.
It's got the.
Yo,
It's
hold
got.
on, it's Nate back here.
Hold on.
Hey.
I got you.
Oh, yo, we at Sonic with it.
Hello?
Misfire meets and friends. Misfire meets and friends.
And friends.
my Q&A.
What does this say?
What's this guy doing?
10 millionth coats of wax.
Are you waxing?
10 millionth coats of wax, yes.
What's the process
Wax.
like for this?
Wax.
How many times do you wax your car a day?
Wax.
Oh. And how long have you done this?
He won't let me go home. This is a bit, but he's holding me hot.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's just start handing y'all motherfuckers the camera.
This is gonna keep me so occupied.
You think you're gonna go interview 4 people?
I'm kind of nervous. I don't know these people.
Oh, you know?
We're just gonna roll with it. We're gonna roll with it. These are the cars. Can we turn around? Cars. There's nothing. There's nothing.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
I gotta take this off. This person looks like they're recording. It's okay.
They are recording.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's all right.
Do we go into Meyer?
No, we don't go Meyer.
Why not?
Dude, I'm
Meyer?
just gonna cut
Meyer
you loose
trip?
at Meyer with the fuck.
Meyer trip? Shit, man.
Southwest.
I do. Let's go up to Chris. Let's go up to Chris. Coochie, coochie, coo. Coochie, coochie, coo. Pookie.
That hurts a little bit. What's up?
How's your day been?
It's been okay.
It's long time no see, brother boy.
Yeah, I guess so.
I was about to say his balls might smell, but...
That's going in the video.
I fucking love it. We're vlogging.
Oh. Hi.
Nice day out. Nice day out. How do you feel?
I feel like it's a nice day out.
There's my beautiful Barney. She's really not. She's not that beautiful. She don't deserve to be shown off. She fugly.
She not fugly?
She fugly and rusty. Let's go look at Barney. Let's go look at Barney, my fugly rusty piece of poopy.
Who's it, Barney?
Barney. This is nice. That's fire. This is Barney.
The pinstripe around his emblem.
We don't look at the spots. The spots are from lights. The rust is from 3 years of no covering in
The winter?
in winter. Don't ask me about that. I don't know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That was nice. Thank you. She's
Like
so.
Alf Seals. That was nice. What's your name though?
That's Connor.
Connor?
I just interviewed him.
Did you?
I just interviewed him. Good guy. Good
I
guy.
met him first.
Good.
Yeah. I didn't interview him though.
What did you just say to me?
I said, you met Connor first.
You met Connor first. Excuse me. The fuck? This is my home dog.
Fuck out.
This is my. I'm about to tweak, bruh. Whose is this? Whose is this?
That kid right there.
In the Dallas? Hey, bro.
Looking at the cards, we're looking at the
Is this yours? This yours?
Yes, it is mine.
Nice. What you got on it?
A lot.
Like?
It's on E30. It's stage 3. It's a boot mod for the stage 2 tune. It's on 2 parts jet oil for mobile type 2 jet oil. And that's really it. Charge pipes, down pipes.
Valid.
Oh, who's calling?
What's your name?
Draven.
Blake.
Blake, nice to meet you. I'm Savannah.
Yeah, but whose car is this? What's your name? What do you do for a living?
What's your name? What's your occupation?
I'm Draven. I'm a mobile driver, basically.
Don't forget to ask the important questions, like social security number.
Yeah, what's...
48229.
Oh, okay. She cute, she petite. She would... What you think?
It's nice. The paint looks good. Paint looks good as fuck.
He said it.
I like the taillights.
He said it, y'all.
You know what? We're ready to do a clear code check on the purple Camaro.
We don't talk about it.
Guys, let's see this.
Can we do a Mondo check?
Come on.
You want to do a fucking swirl mark check on the
guys,
E46 dog?
We got this, all right. It's a personal decal of the scratches, all right. They wanted it. All
Why
right?
won't this like...
Hey, Savannah.
This?
You can use the
See
joystick
this gap
to pull
between the
down.
bumper and the hood?
joystick to
This
pull
is
down.
actually for
Yeah. Hold this
aerodynamics.
real
It
quick.
folds into the bumper.
Dope.
Folds into the bumper, right? You get 10 extra horsepower for every gap. Come with me now. Now you see this quarter panel, this is where the magic happens. It's slipstring by NASA engineering, so when it goes in like this,
What the fuck?
this right here, it's modifications, right? That's 300 wheel right there.
Why is
Let
it...
me show you how we gonna fix this.
You know, I just watched it before we got
We
here.
gonna fix this, ready?
Hey, that's okay. I wiped my whole car down with glass cleaner.
No
Wax on, wax
scratches.
off. Would you
No
look
scratch-
at that? Would you look at that? You
Look,
see the
no
sparkles?
scratches. You see the
sparkles?
scratches?
It's from the Christmas lights. It's from the Christmas lights.
Yeah, my Maverick's all scratched up. Thank you.
Ready? 2 squeezes. Wax on, wax off.
But sir, where can I buy this amazing product?
need a
All right,
drying
what you
top
gotta
on
do
AutoZone.
is TikTok shop.
TikTok
All right.
shop.
I am getting cooked on. Okay, well, Diego, what's done to it?
Jesse, take it away.
So I did springs on this car. Oh, we did the inlet. And what did you do? You did the downpipe, right? So this downpipe, I did not touch this. If I do work, I do it right. This is all sorts of fucked up. At the bottom, everything is missing.
So, quick story time on that.
Yeah.
There I am, allegedly, on a Mexico freeway, and an F-150 goes on the freeway with me. So he sends it. I allegedly, hypothetically, send it, and banging through the gears, right at about 5th gear, 110. Clank, 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 clank. All the fucking way down the exhaust. 4 engine codes.
Here comes Tony.
Evac
Here comes Tony.
conditions, rev match.
What are you driving today?
Nothing.
There's Jaden, there's Jaden. Jaden! Hello, how are you doing today? What is your name?
Jaden, bro.
I haven't seen you in forever. Where's your girl at?
She's here.
Cool. I'm doing interviews. What you driving today?
Oh no, it's Anthony's car. It's my boy Anthony. My car's getting fixed.
What are you driving though?
The Jeep.
The Jeep? What's your name?
Work truck.
Zoe. Nice to meet you. What do you drive?
Nothing yet.
Nothing. That's okay. We here out and about. I'm just running around. Nice seeing you. It's nice meeting you. Jaraven.
Hey, hold up. We have my favorite detailer right here. This guy Rav's cars.
What up,
Sir,
y'all?
what's your name?
Enrique Salinas Customs.
What are we driving today?
We got the M40i.
Okay. Oh, we don't look at that. But okay. Okay. Quick question.
Don't look at the front.
Hey, what you do for a living?
Shit, rap cars.
Hell yeah. All right, a little shout out.
Salinas Customs come for tint, wrap, detailing, all your needs.
10 out of 10. All right.
brother.
Next victim. Sir, what's your name?
I'm Carl.
Hi, Carl. What we driving today?
R35, you know?
Word?
R35.
600 wheel, all wheel.
Okay. What do you enjoy about the car?
All-wheel drive is the best for sure.
Hell yeah.
Launch control.
What's a push?
It's like 600-700.
He just said it.
I said it, yeah.
He just said it.
Flew past my mind.
Dyno tune, E85, full bolt-ons,
Okay, that's all we did.
pretty much.
Hell yeah. What's your favorite, besides the all-wheel drive, man? How's it looking so far?
I mean,
What's next?
what's next? I'm just gonna keep rocking it.
Can we see the inside?
Yeah, you wanna see the inside?
Come on now.
It's open. Figure out the door handle is the first one. Oh, he knows.
I almost won one at Cletus
All right,
McFarland.
Savannah.
And then he fucked up and he called me and was like, "You got second place." I'm like, "Second place?" Here we are, the inside.
Trash.
Oh, she kind of cute though. Here we go, the wheel. What year?
2013.
2013.
Okay.
She is clean.
Beautiful.
She's
car,
cute.
Beautiful car.
I do like her. 700 is nice. 700 nice.
She gets down.
So much.
Brand new 4S's too.
Oh
so
shit. Okay.
Hold on. Ooh.
Fresh meat. Still got the little slippy slip stuff on it.
Okay.
Hard.
She cute.
Thank you so much.
You thinking about wrapping it?
What?
You thinking about wrapping it?
I should, right? I'm losing the clear coat in the front, but the red's so dope.
What color would you do?
Probably like a gray, like a nano Audi gray.
Gray.
Nano?
That's low key fire.
Nardo gray.
Nardo gray?
Mine's called nano, but there's Nardo and nano.
Thank you.
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it.
All right, next victim.
Next victim.
RT.
Let's go. Who?
RT.
Who's RT?
Good sir.
Hey, bro. What's your name, bro?
Wiley.
Wiley?
Yeah,
All right, what's you driving today?
2012 RT. Shit, it's really a scat, but whatever.
So it's swapped?
It's not swapped though.
What makes it a scat?
Here, let me show you. Huh?
All right, come on.
What kind of exhaust?
Shit, don't even know. Somebody did it for me. It was a gift. Like I ain't even.
Hey, freeze free.
Come for the swap. What's the VIN number?
No.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Victims.
Come on. Danny. Hi. How's your day been?
Why are we doing this?
It's just for shits and gigs. Why not? It's a nice day out.
Sure, why not?
What you driving?
A V6 Charger.
Y'all want to come look at it? Come on. She's cute. She's on bags. She's on. Look at that. You see any space? No.
Wait, can we see the star lights? I heard about the star lights.
We cannot see the starlights right now.
Is she down?
No, the interior's not as presentable.
She's down.
Yeah, she's down.
She's down.
Yeah, basically.
No, I heard this is a V8. Is this true?
I don't know. The hood latch won't open, man. So I can't even show you.
Hey, this is Tony.
It's me, Mr. Misfire, back at it again. You already know. Pop-up meet, sponsored by everybody, all these lovely folks. We got Savannah on the mic, Draven on the camera.
What y'all know about it? Name and occupation?
Ashton Nowak, pharmacy technician.
He said it, y'all. The man himself.
Ashton Nowak.
What you got to your car? What's going on with it? A bucket seat.
I've got a bucket seat.
Let's get a better
We're
look.
gonna go over here, guys.
Okay.
All right. Move out the way. So we have Ashton's brand new awesome E46.
Oh, hey, there's the BMW right there too.
Let's take a look at the BMW B58 engine. But more importantly, let's talk about Ashton. So Ashton, tell us about how the journey's going so far.
The journey's going well.
All right.
2025, you know, it's a new year, new me.
All right.
Got to keep it light, you know.
All right. How do you feel about the bucket seats? How do you feel about the lights?
I love the bucket seats. Love the lights.
Best part about the car?
You can't reach the steering wheel.
Best part about the car?
Who invited her?
The whole car.
Who invited her? Who invited this? We never hired her. She's not even getting paid. This guy's getting paid. But anywho, all right. Thank you so much for the interview, Ashton.
Of course.
Who's the next victim?
Next
I
victim.
say we go look at that Lexus. I said we take another look at that beautiful Lexus.
Let's do.
Let's go over here. Let's take a look. All right.
Come on now.
Let's take a look.
Hey, what you driving?
Who are we here with?
A Supra.
Supra.
GR
But who are we with?
Brad.
Brad. It's a pleasure to meet you, Brad.
Nice to meet you.
Draven, Savannah, Tony.
Nice to meet you.
Owner of Misfire Meats.
So what you got done to it?
Come on now. Mark 5 Supra.
Not much right now. Upgraded brakes, and just the front splitter right now, if I'm being honest.
Now more importantly, is this the B58?
Of course.
2020?
22.
22. Y'all heard it from the man himself.
6-port, 382 horsepower over 335.
Can we take a look in the interior real quick?
Let's take a look, y'all. Let's take a look at this bad baby. Oh, so sorry. Oh, she is clean. 1 through 10.
I rate this a 10.
That is clean. 1 through 10.
You know, easy 10. Ain't on my BMW, guys.
That is an easy 10.
So what is your favorite thing about the car so far?
Honestly, it's got to be a mix of obviously the B58.
Okay.
That's kind of the reason I wanted to get it. And then the styling, two-seater, pure sports car.
Now, last question. What is the future goal of the car?
Over 500 horsepower.
Light?
Preferably like an E30 mix or some kind of ethanol mix. And catless, of course.
Catless. Anything with suspension, you know, spoiler,
Yes.
anything
Oh
like
yeah.
that.
So I take it to the track. I do autocross, so coilovers eventually. I need to get wheel studs pretty quick because I'm taking these wheels off a lot. And then I want to get.
Stupid hoe.
I want to get some aero for it eventually. So that's in the future.
Well, thank you. We love the Supra. We want to say we appreciate the time. And hopefully we see him more at more meets.
Of course.
All right, it's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you guys.
Good to meet you, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Beautiful, beautiful car.
Now, Tony, how are we feeling about tonight?
I think it's a great night. I think it's starting to heat up a little bit. You know what I mean? We got more of a variety coming through. I mean, a lot of beautiful cars, a lot of cars in progress, a lot of good people as always. Yes.
Interviews now, Tony.
Oh yeah, we're just running it. You already know. This is our channel.
Next?
You know, honestly, we're just gonna run around. Let's show some love to everybody. You know what I mean? See what everybody's up to.
Is that Ryan with the Audi?
You know what? Let's go interview Brian. I feel like he's the interview guy. Let's
Pull it up again.
Oh, all right, bet.
392 KP.
All right. And how is the 392? New to you, right?
It's not a Beamer.
Not a Beamer. Okay. And how do we feel about Beamers?
We love them.
And that's your 300 over there?
Yep.
Okay. What's the setup on it?
Stock 392,
right.
catless pipes on it.
Okay. Experience so far?
Solid.
You know what? Thank you for your time, good sir. Good as always. Pleasure.
Meet you at Joanne.
Oh no. All right. Hold on. Is that S4 Brian?
Sir?
S4 Brian. Hold on. We know this guy.
I don't own an S4.
Oh no, I'm pretty sure you own S4.
Yeah, that's not me.
Hold on. Wait, is there? No, that's not you.
That's him.
I think he's on S5.
No,
that's S5 Tony.
I don't
S5 Tony. You got two Audi boys.
No.
S5 Tony. S4 Brian.
Real question. Did you get the actual key for the car?
Fuck no.
Did
So you're still on valet?
Recently?
Fuck no.
What's going on with it?
It's an Audi.
I know. Are you still got the valet key, or is that all you're using? Is just the valet? That'll fucking get you.
They can't steal nothing. They can't catch.
That'll get you. Valet key only.
Cameraman, you gotta have both. You gotta have one.
Don't you
gotta have one.
Hey, hold up.
He's trying to take it.
All right.
He's trying to take it from me.